Okay, welcome to Hooked on Linux. Today I'm going to set up my Thunderbird mail. I recently installed Linux Mint 22.2 on a new hard drive, and of course everything comes up, it's there, but it's not really set up, so I'm going to set it up. Anything that you see me do here is private. These are my private emails that I'll be dealing with, so I'm going to do my best to keep them out of your site. But by the same token, I want to show you how to do this, because I'll be honest with you, I've never set up Thunderbird mail. So we're gonna try right now. We're gonna hear welcome to Mozilla Thunderbird mail. The first thing I'm gonna do is open it up. Okay, so we're here. Set up my existing email. This is what's going to come up, and it automatically selects your computer's name and puts it here. So my computer's name is called Hooked on Linux, and so here I want to set up my email address. So far, this email address is it's in the public. Right? It's not like I'm hiding this email address from you. It's in the public. So if you connect to my other YouTube channel, Odd Jobs Remy Goche, you will come across this email address. And then I'm going to put in the password. The password, of course, you can't see. And I'm going to hit that configure manually. Nope, I'm going to continue with this. There it is. Thunderbird failed to find the settings for your email account. Okay, that's all right. Okay, that's fine. So here, I'm going to actually make this all the way it is. Here's the whole part of learning, is making mistakes and trying to get past it. So this one here is called So for my Odd Jobs account, it is this email address. I forgot to put the .com. And of course, asking it to remember my email address. Configuration found in Mozilla ISP database. Okay, there we are. Keep your folders, emails synced on your server. Yep, incoming, outgoing, and my username is right there. And I'm happy with that. And I'm going to just say done. And then this window pops up. Here you can see this one, and it says sign in with Google, sign in to continue to sign into that one. And so I'm going to just click on next, and it's going to enter my password for that account, and I'm going to say yes. Whoa, something went wrong. RemyNeeble at gmail.com. Wrong password. I'm going to try this again. And it's going to say that it sent me something on my Galaxy phone. Hold on one second. It wants to access your Google account. That's done. Allow. And I'm allowing Mozilla to access my Google account, bring it back, do whatever I want it to do, and that's fine. So Odd Jobs Remy Goche is there. My address book. Thunderbird found one address book linked to my email account. I'm going to connect it because this is what it's about. So what this enables me to do is do all of my email activity offline, and then only send and receive and connect with my Gmail account online when I tell Mozilla Thunderbird to do it, and that's going to be it. So calendars, yeah, I don't really use my calendars, but and refresh manually, right? That's it. Okay, and then I'm going to say finish, and it's going to come up here and it's going to say this is my first time doing this. I've not ever done this. There it is, my account settings is right here. So I'm there. My inbox is here. My drafts, my sent mail, all my mail. And there we go. So this is going to store your emails on a local server, and it'll sync it to the online server when you tell it to. Or you can set it up automatically to just automatically synchronize, which is not a bad idea, I guess. And that's how that's going to work. That's excellent. So here I'm going to go on settings, right? And there's one. When Thunderbird launches, show start page in the message areas. That's fine. Default search engine. DuckDuckGo. System integration. Always check to see if Thunderbird is a default mail client on startup. It's like you can do that, but like you're the only mail client I have. And no, because if I do this, and every time the machine starts up, it's going to access it, and I don't want it to. I want it to do it when I want it to do it. Create accounts in the new account hub. Create address books in the new account hub. Not sure what that is. Experimental new mail account creation flow. Not sure what that is yet. It says experimental. I don't like experimental stuff. Scrolling, that is fine. Language, fonts, all these things. You go through them and you can customize yours as it goes. When a new message arrives, show an alert. Use a system notification, play a sound. Yeah, I don't have to play a sound. That's it. And file and attachments, always in a PDF. I like that idea. Right? And that's it. What the heck happened? Help keep Thunderbird alive by donating. So here you can donate. And this is the kind of thing I always encourage people that when they find something that they like, they use, and they benefit from, to return in like energy and donate to the cause. So if I like Thunderbird and I use Thunderbird and I think Thunderbird is doing a great job, I would think it wise and I don't know what the word is. Gratuitous? Is that the right word? To, yeah, give them a donation. In essence, pay for the software that was freely given to you to use if you find benefit for it. So I think that's just fair stuff. So we'll do that in the future. And here are all of our files, attachments, and tags, everything. Like I said, go through all of these on the settings and set it up the way you want. And I am ready to go. And then here it's going to be my email. So I can go into my inbox here. And all of my emails are here. On and on we go. I got a lot of stuff on. Okay, can I reduce that? Yes, I can. I'll get that right out of the way. There's a calendar. Calendar can stay right there. I have no new events. Looks like my day is clear. I got nothing booked. Oh. All right. Wow, I didn't realize I had so much mail. Okay, so that's it. If you want to add a new one, you see this, and you can click on new account right there. And there you can add a new email account, a new calendar account, add all these different things, right? So I can set up a new email account, and I can just do it here. And my email account. Oh, my sticky fingers keep hitting other things. That look good? It does. And then I can continue with that one too. Right. And it's the same thing here. I can keep my folders, all these different things, and you can say, yes, I'm done. And of course, it's going to go back to the same sign-in thing, right? And Bob's your uncle. There we are, all set up. That's how you do all that. And you hit finish at the end. And there's the hooked on Linux is right there. Awesome. So I can do all my work here offline. And then I can, after I'm done all my work, I can sync it up to the server. Okay, all right. I think that's excellent. So here I can go to that. See, and here, there's my 2 emails, and there's my local folders there. So that's all right. So I can check them here. That's it. You know, I remember in the old days, we had Outlook on your hard drive. You had it local. It wasn't out there in the cloud anywhere like it is now. So this is a beautiful thing with a lot of Linux operating systems. It brings your email back to your own hard drive, and you never have to store your stuff up there in the cloud anymore. Well, thanks for hanging out with me this morning while we look at Thunderbird Mail. This is something I've been meaning to do for a long time and just never got around to it. Today was a perfect opportunity to set up my mail. So thanks for hanging out with me and watching that. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll talk to you soon.